Hey everyone, heading out on an adventure? Today, I'm sharing ultimate carry-on packing tips to save space and stay organized. Let's dive right in. First up, start with a packing list. Trust me, it'll save you from overpacking and forgetting essentials. Your list should include clothing, toiletries, electronics, and any travel documents. Check off each item as you go. Next, let's talk about packing cubes. These little lifesavers compartmentalize your items, making them easier to find. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. Rolling not only saves space but also minimizes wrinkles. Try it with your shirts, pants, and even underwear. You'll be amazed at how much more you can fit. Now, multi-purpose items are your best friends. Think scarves that double as blankets or sarongs, shoes that work for both casual and dressy occasions, and even a tablet that acts as both an e-reader and a mini laptop. The key is to be versatile. Don't forget about your toiletries. Use travel-sized bottles and store them in a clear, resealable plastic bag. This not only saves space but also ensures you comply with TSA regulations. Also consider solid toiletries like shampoo bars and soap bars. They take up less space and won't leak. For your electronics, gather all your cords and chargers and store them in a small pouch. This keeps them organized and prevents them from tangling. Also, invest in a portable charger. You'll thank yourself later when your phone battery is low and there's no outlet in sight. Shoes can be a real space hog. Wear your bulkiest pair during travel and pack the lighter ones. Use shoe bags or shower caps to cover the soles and prevent dirt from spreading. And don't forget to stuff socks or other small items inside your shoes to maximize every inch of space. Important documents should go in an easily accessible part of your carry-on. Use a travel wallet or a document organizer to keep your passport, boarding pass, and any other paperwork neatly together. This keeps you from fumbling at the check-in counter. Let's not overlook the small stuff. Items like earplugs, an eye mask, and a travel pillow can make your journey much more comfortable. Pack these in an outer pocket or the top of your bag for easy access during your flight. Finally, leave some room for souvenirs. You never know what treasures you'll find on your travels. By packing light, you ensure you have space to bring a little piece of your adventure back home. And there you have it. Follow these ultimate carry-on packing tips to save space and stay organized. Enjoy your travels and happy packing. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and adventures. See you next time.